Materi kali ini fokus pada kalimat dasar dan sederhana, agar kalian bisa mengucapkan dan menghafalnya dengan lancar dan terbiasa.
Ayo kita mulai. Saya makan. I eat. I eat. I eat. Kamu makan. You eat. You eat. You eat. Dia makan. He eats. He eats. He eats. Dia makan. She eats. She eats. She eats. Kami makan. We eat. We eat. We eat. Mereka makan. They eat. They eat. They eat. Saya berpikir. I think. I think. I think. Kamu berpikir. You think. You think. You think. Dia berpikir. She thinks. She thinks. She thinks. Dia berpikir. He thinks. He thinks. He thinks. Kami berpikir. We think. We think. We think. Saya berjalan. I walk. I walk. I walk. Kamu berjalan. You walk. You walk. You walk. Dia berjalan. He walks. He walks. He walks. Dia berjalan. She walks. She walks. She walks.
Kami berjalan.
We walk. We walk. We walk.
Mereka berjalan.
They walk. They walk. They walk.
Saya menyukainya.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Kamu menyukainya.
You like it. You like it. You like it.
Dia menyukainya. She likes it. She likes it. She likes it. Dia menyukainya. He likes it. He likes it. He likes it. Kami menyukainya. We like it. We like it. We like it. Mereka menyukainya. They like it. They like it. They like it. Saya melihatmu. I see you. I see you. I see you. Kamu melihat saya. You see me. You see me. You see me. Dia melihat dia. She sees him. She sees him. She sees him. Kami melihat mereka. We see them. We see them. We see them. Mereka melihat kami. They see us. They see us. They see us. Saya butuh bantuan. I need help. I need help. I need help. Kamu butuh waktu.
You need time. You need time. You need time.
Dia butuh istirahat.
She needs rest. She needs rest. She needs rest.
Dia butuh air.
He needs water. He needs water. He needs water.
Kami butuh makanan.
We need food. We need food. We need food.
Mereka butuh uang.
They need money. They need money. They need money.
Saya punya waktu.
I have time. I have time. I have time.
Kamu punya uang.
You have money. You have money. You have money.
Dia punya rencana.
She has a plan. She has a plan. She has a plan.
Dia punya pekerjaan.
He has a job. He has a job. He has a job.
Itu berfungsi.
It works. It works. It works.
Lanjutkan latihan berikutnya di deskripsi atau playlist.